Thank you, very noisy friend.
Like, there. That's them. Cool.
Oh, right. You've got the silent thing.
Hello. Mind if I come in? Are you Sally,
I didn't see you people here.
Or Gem at all, or do you know anyone who might besides them?
Question: how much do you pay for spice up?
What was the prices we had? Clover.
What?
Can you remember the prices?
Yes.
Sorry, I just need to remember the prices. Right.
I like this. Yes.
What are the prices?
She's the one I was talking about.
The fair powers is not a problem. So, well, we can offer a gold for both of them if you've got them.
Both of them.
For both a spider silk and a gem.
I have some spider silk. I don't have any gem, unfortunately. And if I did, I wouldn't be willing to part with it.
Okay,
Spider silk, I have 3 pieces.
Right.
Yeah.
I would be asking for more than a gold, I think.
More than a gold
For like all of them.
for all of them. We only need one.
Right then, 8 silk?
That's a bit more pricey than I was hoping. Around about 5 silver.
Oh god, no, that's severely undercharging.
6.
Yeah, I think we could do 6.
I can't. 8 silver.
Okay. Thank you very much, but I think it's a little bit too pricey for us, so thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Also, I think you might. Right. You know, you handed me all the Night Legion's money.
Yeah.
Basically, this is the second time I've had a faction's entire money handed to me. The last person who handed it to me was Q. So, if you die, if I join a faction with you and you die in the near distant future, it is actually a curse. I'm very sorry. I just felt like let you know.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to go rar at something in a minute.
Yeah, let's hope not.
Basically, that's my scapegoat to let so Eddie doesn't think that it's just me joining factions that's cursing them. So hopefully I've just got really bad luck.
Let's hope so.
No offense, I'm
I'm
keeping
trying to
away.
settle Arcana, and he's like, no. Got any 3 people to. I still need to get to my 3rd because my 3rd died, and then he got better.
I'm glad he got better from, you
But
know.
it breaks the thing. Macarius. Now he's like the leader. He's like, okay, yeah, but you need like another person. It's okay. You need 3 people to like vouch for you, and then Macarius has to also go. Yeah, you kind of chill. And Macarius has already gone. Yeah, you kind of chill, but I need like an extra person in the Arcana to be like, why? Who? Who's gonna be my 3rd person who's gonna vouch for me? Is that what you're asking? Who's in the same Arcana? Well, obviously, Tori, Jenny, Macarius, and then there's Bryn, and then there's the Pointy's like a kind of maybe sort of. Right. You okay?
Can we get you some dispelling to try and sort that problem out?
Kana.
Lighting.
Kana.
He can he know how.
Some of the mages might have them if we go into some of them.
Sit down in the shade. Oh.
Cool.
I think
You're Macarius.
Macarius, yeah, I think he.
Oh yeah, Macarius knows to spell, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah, because we got the spell.
But please.
Yeah, right. That's a bit of a complex. Basically, Silver Arcana, it's a thing. It's only believable by dying. Last night, Pointy died.
Oh no.
Oh!
However, he then got resurrected. He is now undead and therefore no longer has the connection to it. So he has to rejoin.
But what if you have to wait for him to
I have to die. What?
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 people died.
5 people died on was it the ropes? No.
Oh, are you saying that? Are you talking about the boat or something? No, okay. Because you're saying 5 people dead.
Alright.
Resurrected. 5 people have been resurrected. Yes, that's what kind of what I was also going. What?
It's they got resurrected. He died. He is dead. He's just been reanimated. Is better way of putting it. He's like still like him and got all this. At least he better be. Yeah. So basically, his connection to the circle has been broken, and he needs to rejoin.
Yeah. So, so he's a stinky.
What?
So he's a stinky.
Yes, sticking at that, yeah, so why not?
Jack, wouldn't it be better to wait for Pointy to rejoin and then him about before you?
It's inconvenient to join down. What is it?
This is actually quite entertaining. I like this.
Pointy's in the circle, I
I was going to say, we've got things we need to do because we want to get to that crafting.
Oh,
Yeah, fair enough.
what if he doesn't get 3 people? Yeah.
Right,
Go remember all the funny things that happen in this conversation.
we'll bid you leave because we've got to go trying to get stuff sorted, but...
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome to say. I feel as if we're sort of zoning out at the moment and staring at shitty puzzles that they're purely shitty because you can't understand.
That is kind of why I was coming over. You both look like you were playing some kind of board game.
Oh no, it's
No.
just a puzzle thing we need to solve.
Oh, is that the one?
Yep,
It's
the
not
kids were
related
left
to the-
with it.
Yeah. You were just sort of saw us pick one up and went, yep, okay. You're gonna go find Paris, okay.
Up, bud.
This point it was changed like a month ago.
We haven't even really had a full discussion in person.
No.
So you don't even know what sword is going to be an hour.
That'd be interesting, Joey.
Oh, Scamp is silenced at the moment.
Why?
Last night was silenced by scarecrows.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
I know you can fix that problem.
I can. Not there.
No, after that.
Okay.
Because else our legs hurt. And also it's more mana.
I don't like the idea. That's not what I meant. That's what I meant.
Macarius, yes.
I'm not gonna.
No.
Well,
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like we were having a conversation when you walked in.
There is a conversation going on here at the moment.
Perfect, thank you. I will go get that sorted for
Your
Prin.
fringe dust.
Yes, I'm putting burn on Prin's stuff. For her this morning.
Why do you want to join?
Um,
I'm allowed to be.
No shit.
I'd like to join because I'd like to learn more about magic, and also I want to help. Get my help out everyone here and the camp, and also like I'm also now helping out for Prin too now as well with the burn. Yeah, I say I'm just very interested in moving forward with my magic career, I guess. Even though I'm an archer, we'll see.
That's fine. I did have another question in my head. Well, I've done this all weekend, had pertinent questions I've forgotten.
What's messing with his bones?
Oh yeah. What area, other than runesmithing, clearly, what area do you specialise in and/or want to work towards?
Area?
Right, there are many different things that a mage can do. Take Torge, he's not really even a mage, but he uses mana.
Yeah.
Well, you're
Don't
not.
say yes because he's trying to play you're the same.
Can you
Hit it.
cast spells?
Not yet, no.
Oh, right, okay.
But if Torch meets the prerequisite for runes, then
Oh, no, I agree. It is an aspect of the
Powder.
magical
Yes.
means. But you're a runesmith, not a mage.
I'm rubbish at charades.
Kenya, Circle Arcana. Not yet joined.
Not joined. How are you so good at that?
If I'm right.
Because you utilised only words that we
That's
have
fair.
already came up with.
And who speaks for you?
So I've got Torge, Eddie, and
Sparkly.
Very well.
Leather.
I shall contemplate
some special
it
coloured powder.
over the next seasons.
Not dragon skin.
Seasons.
Yet.
As in, I'm not. We need to rethink the process, and I think
Who has
I've
got
one in
dispel?
the head.
You waiting for dispel?
We'll see if I meet the process then next time.
Macarius.
Oh, I'm not going to change the process. It's just the process for joining.
I will get on with this, Bryn, and I will grab Bryn.
Help!
If a radio skill,
Macarius.
for example, 4 elements, so you can do it the old way.
I could.
Speak.
He
Macarius.
needs dispel, I think.
You want the spell.
He wants to talk.
You want to be able to talk.
You want to talk to Kana? Right. Watch your tail. Right.
Getting a bit excited with the tail, I guess.
How many words? You can't count. Right. One, some, few, many, lots. How many words?
Can count.
Lots and lots.
Super loads. Wants to
Right.
be able to say all the words because the scamp wants to be dispelled of the current problem.
Right, but I'm trying to get him to say I'd like to be dispelled.
Ah, you need a
So
signal.
he needs to say he needs to act that out.
So what you do is
No.
Wait, do you want me to have your camera so I can record it for you, Scamp?
Actually, yes, let's do that. Am I pretty?
So pretty.
Right. Go on then, tell me what you want, Scamp. You. Good. Walk. Fly. Jump. I don't know. You. Good. Jump really high. That's what I'm walking.
Circle.
Powder.
Fire.
Running.
Magic. Magic.
Magic. Right. You. Good. Wood.
Semi.
Not so good.
That usually means similar to.
Oh. You. Need. Magic. Away. Oh, you want me to spell magic? Sure.
Why didn't you just say?
Right, let's go for a walk. I can dispel magic many ways. Give me my knife. You need to try it so you can. Otherwise, you might not have any legs.
Okay.
Don't want many other people.
what the hell's going on down there?
We have an issue in the forest. There seems to be a problem. Smoke seems to be coming up.
I can see that.
That looks like a fire
I know, I
elemental.
can see. Shall I get rid of your thing first and then you just tell me?
Incoming.
Du, din, los. Go magic.
And something else.
I was getting pretty good at that.
Should have left you then.
Yeah, Scamp.
Prove your skills more. Maybe you'd have won the Bardic competition. With your mind.
Instead of coming dead last.